Hi everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. Actually, this is a huge one, heavier. So let's open. Okay, nothing more inside. That's all. So this is the whole package. So let's quickly open. Okay, here we open. So here we have some almost all our foreign coins. So sooner all these will be for sale. £5 coin, and another we have few. So let's open others. So this is like this is from this packet, so it's from here. Okay, so here also we have some few foreign coins. Sooner all these will be on sale on our website. You can check our website. Okay, so that's all for now. 20, 40 and 48 coins, so nothing more. So that's all guys. Actually last time I have mentioned this, like he is using a good packing, so this time also he done the same as a good packing. So packing is wonderful. So that's all guys. Hit the like button. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and share.